You know, when Andrew Carnegie asked Napoleon Hill to take a decision in just 60 seconds, then he took the decision in 20 to 25 seconds. And that life-changing decision has changed his life, and that helped millions of people to become millionaire. So a right decision can change your life, and you can enjoy the freedom that this life offers you. You know, the power of decision making is the greatest gift you have in your life. It gives you the freedom of choice. You are the product of your choice, as it is not your decision to choose where you are going to born, but it is your choice to live a life of significance. Most of the people don't have the guts to make the tough decision, as they want to make the right decision. You know, leaders make the tough decision. That's the reason they are leaders. You know, every day we take thousands of decisions unconsciously. It is our habit. Making no decision is also a decision. What it means? That you are allowing someone to take the decision for you, rather allowing others to take total control of your future. Once a successful businessman was interviewed and was asked the reason behind his all success. He said, "The secret is that I made the right decision at the right time." How did you make the right decision? He said, "I made more wrong decisions than the right decisions." So don't worry if you had made wrong decision previously, as all successful people take decisions very fast and they learn from their previous mistakes. Decision making is one of the power that you need to develop to have a happy and healthy life. A right decision can take you to the desired life that you wish. First of all, you should know who you are. What is your desired destination? That is your goals. What are your limitations? Next, you should know your emotional state before you take any decision. Remember, we should not take any decision based on our feelings, as all feelings are temporary. Like if you are a student, then you would love to play either online or offline games rather than studies, because it gives you temporary pleasure. But if you study hard, that will give you permanent happiness in life. So it is better that you should take the decision when you are in balanced state of mind. Don't take major decision when you are in extreme emotions, as when you are happy or angry, maybe you will take a wrong decision. There are some decision traps also. Like if we go to a store to buy something, and at the cashier's counter we find some products which were not in our buying list, but after reaching the store with so many options, we ended up buying those, as we want all the products. Sometimes our brain is paralyzed to choose what we want because there are too many choices. So basically, we should be in the perfect emotional state before taking any decision. You know, procrastination is the opposite of decision. It is actually a common enemy to every man and woman to live the life of their choice. Napoleon Hill said that the analysis of several hundred people who have accumulated fortune well above the $1 million mark disclose the facts that every one of them has the habit of reaching decision promptly and changing this decision slowly if and when they were changed. The majority of people are easily influenced by others. They take decision influenced by the newspaper and by their friends' opinion is the cheapest commodity available on this earth. Just think, you decide by the opinion of others. That means you have no desire of your own. You have your own choice and brain to think and decide. It takes actually courage to take a decision. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Gandhiji and lot of other people took a decision, and that's the reason India became independent. So a courageous decision can bring freedom to your life. Now the most important decision you should take is that you should implement those decisions in your daily life. As this is your current situation and you want to reach to your goals. So this is a decision you have taken to reach there. But you don't know why you are stuck here. Because the most important decision that you have to take necessary actions to reach there. Remember, your present situation should not bother you. You have to tune in to the right emotions and have complete faith on your decision. For that, you have to change few of your old habits. You will feel uncomfortable, but you have to develop those habits. See, it will take few days to develop new habits. I have read somewhere that change is the law of nature. It means you need to change yourself. Remember, no one can change you because change is the name of a door which only opens from inside. Others can change you temporarily, but you can change yourself permanently. Now, if you take any decision, then you need to get out of the comfort zone. Otherwise, the result will remain same and you will think that the decision was not correct. Now my suggestion is that before taking any decision, you should have faith on yourself and you should believe that you are going to take necessary action to justify your decision. I wish you great success. Thank you. Hi, myself Sujay Chaudhary. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then please subscribe here and turn on the notification. If you turn on the notification, then whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. Cheers.